Hello guys, my name is Barış Yaycı. This video is about my Physics 101 project. The main objective of this experiment is to demonstrate that the period of a simple pendulum is not influenced by the weight of the object but rather by the length of the rope. So, what exactly is a simple pendulum? A simple pendulum is a basic physical system. It consists of a weight suspended from a fixed point by a string or rod that is free to swing back and forth, and the period of a simple pendulum is given by t equals 2 pi multiplied by square root of the length of the rope divided by the gravity. In this experiment, I used a 20-gram mass and a 100-gram mass, and for rope lengths 18.4 centimeter, 19.1 centimeter, and 27.3 centimeter rope lengths. I calculated the period 5 times with a chronometer and finally took the average to shrink down the margin of error. And after that, I calculated the error and plotted graphs for 20-gram and 100-gram object. Finally, I compared the experimental results with the theoretical results. I calculated the length of the rope using a ruler. As you can see here, I created a simple pendulum using the rope and the mass. I am calculating the period using the chronometer in my computer. I calculated the period for 2 different masses and 3 different lengths. Here I am calculating for 100-gram mass and 18.4 centimeters. Here I am calculating for 20-gram mass and 18.4 centimeters.
The error percentage calculated in 20-gram was 10%, 16.3%, and 1.9%, and for 100 grams it was 8%, 7%, and 6%. The potential causes of errors could be the timing issues with the chronometer. As you can see, as the period increases, the error rate decreases, because as the period gets larger, the measurements get easier. Also, the object wasn't a perfect object, which affected the period, and object slightly rotated, and there was air friction, which affected period also. For masses 20 gram and 100 gram, the period differed 4% for 18.4 centimeters rope length. It differed 11% for 19.1 centimeter rope length, and it differed 4% for 27.3 centimeter. And this supports our claim that the period is not dependent on the mass. In conclusion, we observed that the period is not dependent on the mass as we expected in the first place.